Lesson 9 Simple Machines. Exercise D. Give reasons for the following statements. Student, today we will understand our exercise D. Give reason for the following statements of this lesson. Lesson 9 Simple Machines. Exercise D. Give reasons for the following statements. Number 1. A knife can cut an apple but a screw cannot. Answer. A knife can cut an apple because it is sharp. A screw cannot cut anything like a knife because a screw has no sharp surface like a knife. Number 2. A seesaw is a first class lever while a tweezer is a third class lever. Answer. A seesaw is a first class lever because in seesaw fulcrum is in between load and effort, while a tweezer is a third class lever because in tweezer effort is in between load and fulcrum. Now student, we will understand our exercise E. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Exercise E. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Question 1. Give two examples of wheel and axle. Answer. Doorknob and the steering wheel. Question 2. What is the function of a wedge? Answer. A wedge is used to cut through things. A wedge is used to cut through things. Question 3. What is a simple machine? Answer. The machines with few moving parts are called simple machines. Question 4. Where is a screw used? Answer. A screw is used to hold two things together or to lift heavy weight. A screw is used to hang picture frames on our walls. Question 5. Which simple machine form a wedge? Answer. Two inclined plane forms a wedge. Now student, we will also understand our exercise F. Answer the following questions in brief of this chapter. Exercise F. Answer the following questions in brief. Question 1. How are screw and inclined plane related? Answer. An inclined plane is a slope or a tilted surface used to move heavy load up and down, and screw is actually a modified inclined plane. Question 2. Differentiate between fixed and movable pulley. Answer. A fixed pulley has a wheel fixed at a place and the rope moves in the grooved rim of the wheel. In a movable pulley, the wheel is not fixed. It is free and movable. Question 3. Why is swing machine called a complex machine? Answer. The swing machine is called a complex machine because it is made up of many simple machines such as wheel and axle, wedge, lever and fulcrum, screw, etc. Question 4. Write a short note on the inclined plane. Answer. An inclined plane is a slope or a tilted surface used to move heavy load up and down. Ramps in schools, hospitals and malls and slides in the playground are few examples of inclined planes. Now student, we will also understand our exercise G. Answer the following questions in detail of this chapter. Exercise G. Answer the following questions in detail. Question 1. What is a lever? Give 2 examples of each type of lever. Answer. Lever is a simple machine that helps us to move or lift a heavy object by using less force. Levers are classified as first, second and third class levers. Number 1. First class lever. Example, seesaw, crowbar. Number 2. Second class lever. Example, wheelbarrow, nutcracker. Number 3. Third class lever. Example, shovel, fishing rod. Student, you have to draw diagram of first class lever and example of first class lever. Second class lever, this is example of second class lever example. Third class lever, this is example of third class lever. So student, you have to draw diagram of this first class lever, second class lever and third class lever diagrams, these diagrams, and also this is you have to draw in your science copy. Question 2. How is water lifted up from a well? Explain the whole process. Answer. A single fixed pulley is used to draw a bucket of water from a well. It is easy to draw from a well using a pulley because it helps in changing the direction of the force applied. This in turn makes it easy to move the object. In this case, the pulley helps in lifting the bucket full of water upwards. Question 3. Raj wants to hang his artwork framed by his mother on the wall of his room. Which simple machine should he use to do the work? A nail or a screw? Why? Answer. Nail. Because nails are sufficient to carry the weight of the picture. Question 4. Observe the picture. This is picture of pliers. This is question 4 and you have to write all the answer of this question. This is question A. What is the simple machine used in this picture? Question B. Draw a line diagram to show its parts. Question C. Give 2 more similar examples of this type of machine used in our daily life. We have to understand all the answers of these questions. Question 4. Observe the picture. Question A. What is the simple machine used in this picture? Answer. Lever. Question B. Draw a line diagram to show its parts. Answer. Fulcrum, effort and load. Question C. Give 2 more similar examples of this type of machines used in our daily life. Answer. Scissors and seesaw. Student, you have to write all the answers of these questions in your science copy.